Hey, how you doing? We got 25 below here this morning. I figured it was a good time for a stock tank update. We've been using this for a few seasons. Come to the conclusion that it is absolutely simple and foolproof. Main component to make it work. See the line coming out of the building there? The blue cord is the electric cord that goes to the stock tank heater, but the hose, which has a 1-inch ID, has inside of it heat tape. It's the kind that's made to go like in the gutters and underwater and stuff. Main thing to make it work is inside of that pipe. Again, it's a 1-inch diameter inside, but that heat tape has to have an end on it that is like a 1/2 inch diameter, just a little cap on it, so it can feed through, because it feeds through from the tank going in. From the tank right here, it feeds in, going in, and you see that pipe up against the wall, that 3-inch white pipe where it comes out of the wall, that's where that heat tape is, inside of the black hose there, and it has to go downhill, smoothly downhill, all the way from right here at the sink inside. See the heat tape coming out? It terminates right here in the water here. And once in a while, because of the high iron content that we have, I have to flush the system out with a garden hose. Sort of, I'll just go to the tank or the sink and feed the water in, and it overflows outside. But as long as it flows downhill, and then it goes in through the, you can see it coming out right there, but it flows in through the bottom drain port on the stock tank. Then everything works absolutely perfect. Don't have to touch it. The water level inside is the same as the water level outside. So, now what do we have here? We got Burger Boy 1. He's curious what's on the other side of the fence. Ha! Look at that. Oh, a new calf in January. I didn't separate the bull from the rest of them, but she thinks I'm awesome because I rescued her. Brought her in from where it was cold outside, got her all dried off. And the goofy little thing, when she was like 22 hours old, jumped into the stock tank. And I had to rescue her again. But she thinks I'm awesome. We'll keep this one around a while. She's pretty decent.